Hello peeps, this is my 112 Haiboxing desert truck. I upgraded the shocks, has aluminum shocks all around. It has different tires, HG tires, electronics. I upgraded except the motor. I got a fan and I got a RC servo switch. This was all wired through to give me the headlight to work on remotely. Here it is. Headlights and light bar are wired together but work remotely. As for the body, I made out of scratch an interior with a driver and a co-driver. Added some knobs, a fuel cell, and a spoiler. Added some stickers with some chrome. Let me see anything else. That's about it. So, hope you like. Please comment. And that's that. That's the 112 Haiboxing desert truck. It's worth the money. And I'm dying to try this out since I got it kind of late. Kind of cold weather time. So I'll be trying this out this summer or this spring. Laters. Peace.